Hey, welcome back to Collector's Conquest. We're gonna head in Wendy's, get some of those awesome Frightful Frosty kids meals, and let's see what kind of figures we can get. All right, let's head into Wendy's, see what kind of cool figures they got. Pretty excited. I'm hoping for a werewolf. Here's a little advertisement for them. Boo Books presents Frosty Frights kids meal, and you can also get the Boo Books little fright, $1 for 5 free Frosties. Heck yeah. Alright, we got our Frosty Frights here. Which ones do you think we got, Dave Thomas? Gotta ask Dave first. Hopefully we got the Wolfman. That's the one I'm looking for. But let's check out the package here. Boo Books presents Frosty Frights. Look at that, so cool looking. I think, oh, here we go. You got 6 characters, 5 mystery versions, special colors. You got the Frosty Bite Dracula there, the Coolie Ghoulie Ghost. You got Franken Frosty, Frankenstein's monster, BRRR Beast, Wolfman right there. You got a Cold Spell Witch, and you got Junior. So I guess that's just a Frosty there. But let's check out the back real quick. Kids meal. Got some cool pumpkins and stuff up here. Some drawings. Little bat Frosty there, and then we got this side here. It says, hey parents, be the cool house this Halloween and pass out Boo Books. Yeah, that's the thing I showed you earlier. So you can pay $1 and get 5 free Frosty coupons. That's a pretty good deal. I mean, even if you don't pass them out for trick-or-treats, that's like 5 for $1. Pretty good. But let's check out what we got in here. So we'll be able to tell because of the packaging. But here we go. 3, 2, boom. It's the one I wanted. The BRRR Beast. I can't believe it. I'm so freaking excited. Man, this is the one I wanted. Here's a look at the figures again. We'll open them up after I pull them all out. We got 3 of them. Alright, let's see what our next one is. 3, 2, boom. Oh, heck yeah. We got the green ghost. Well, possible green ghost. So there's a variant chase in here, or hopefully. 3, 2, boom. Oh, we got 2 BRRR Beasts, but it's possible we could get a variant. So let's open these up and see which ones we got. All right, I took the top off, but I didn't look inside just so I can open it. And here we go, the BRRR Beast. Which one did we get? Oh, heck yeah, we got the original color BRRR Beast. This is the one I wanted from the start. I just love to look at this one. These are really solid, like nice size too. Super cool. Wolfman as a Frosty. Let's check out the next one. Boom. We got the blue one. Is that the, no, the green is the special. Pretty cool. I do like the ghost one. I don't know what my second favorite is, but I do like that ghost there. Let's check out this one. Did we get another brown one? Yep. Got another brown Frosty. I think there's a little booklet of stickers in here. BRRR Beast stickers. Pretty cool. Little card here. The BRRR Beast, when the full moon is high and bright, he barks and howls with all his might. And let's check out what the ghost has. We got the Coolie Ghoulie here. Her pumpkins glow. Leads the way. She floats through halls with a boo and a yay. And then here's the sticker and the other stickers. Man, this is awesome. They came out with these for Halloween. Such a cool idea, and just some great collectibles for Halloween that people will remember. So cool. See if you can find these at your Wendy's. Man, that was awesome. I pulled the ones I wanted. At least the Wolfman. I'm so excited. Those were so cool. Those frightful Frosty little vinyl figures. I mean, that was such a cool idea that they come out with those. Hopefully people remember those and they become, you know, nostalgia. People love those things. But this is Collector's Conquest. Got tons of videos. Check the playlist. Find a franchise or subject you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. Also check out the channel membership. Put out an awesome exclusive members only video once a week. You also get early access to most of my videos, and you get your name after the video just like this.
Join Collectors Conquest membership. Exclusive, don't want to miss. Check out Mama J. She's got so much stuff to say. Unboxing crazy things. Rock and roll is what she brings. Check out Mary Poppins Pops. The straight up shows, all the Funko drops. Mystery boxes don't stand a chance. Woof woof is what straight up motions. Check out frogpopfanatic. Every new Ninja Turtle makes him ecstatic. Puppet Master and Killer Clones, handmade by robots. He's always hunting down. Check out two boys and the scary pops. On Saturday scares, you might face a cyclops. Ghost face flashes through horror toys. By the time you're done watching, you might see white noise. Check out B-Man YouTube channel. His superhero toys always win the battle. The DVDs and video games are so cool. If you're into awesome stuff, this guy rules, yeah! Natalie D's got a heart of gold. Supporting my channel, breaking the mold. Our collection grows, brothers untold. She's a force to behold. Dino Sarah, she's a beast in the pack. She runs with the mic, never looking back. Never takes a breath, T-Rex attack. Taking no prisoners, that's a fact. That's a fact. Join Collector's Conquest, channel membership. So many exclusives, you don't want to miss.
Hey, it's Collector's Conquest. Have you ever wanted to help support the channel? Well, you can now. We have some new donation options. If you donate $5 or more, you'll get the exclusive 80s hologram sticker and the pretty dang cool pin. Check that thing out. That's pretty dang cool. And also you'll get whatever free swag we already have. We got stickers. We got some buttons that you get when you win giveaways. All that just for $5. We'll send it out to you for free. Check the links below. We got a Venmo and Cash App only. And if you want to help out even more, consider donating $30 or more and you'll get this free Collector's Conquest t-shirt. We also have a couple other designs, so contact me on Instagram or email me to see those designs. But I appreciate everyone watching my videos. Check the links below. And at the $30 t-shirt level, you also get all that other swag in the $5 level.